What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing a twist out on my hair, and I am going to be using the TreLuxe products. So you guys know that I enjoy TreLuxe products, and I do have some videos on my channel. Today I'm going to be revisiting two products that I haven't used in a while. The first product I'm going to be using for my twist out is the 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. And the other one I'm going to be using today is the ReFlex Curl Styling Serum. So you guys know me. I am going to do one side with the serum, one side with the cream. And I'm opting to do this because instead of me having to do two different videos, I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and knock both of them out at once and see how they work. I am going to be using the Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner as my leave-in, and I have applied some to my hair when I was in the shower, because you know guys, I like to apply my leave-in in the shower, but I only did it on the outside of my hair, you know, just to kind of hold in some moisture. So I am going to apply some to the inside of my hair as well, so you can kind of see the consistency. So it is a very lightweight leave-in, but it packs a lot of moisture. So before I get started twisting, I am going to apply the leave-in to all 4 sections of my hair, and I'll give you a little bit more information about the leave-in as I do that. The Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner is glycerin-free. It includes botanical ingredients to moisturize and strengthen the strands. Some of the active botanical ingredients are olive squalene, and also has an all-natural moisturizer. Plus it has a 360 curl complex with tomato extract and amino acids to help hydrate, strengthen, and define as well. And the key ingredients in this leave-in conditioner is coconut milk, slippery elm, and broccoli seed oil. It also has like a cinnamon smell. Apple cinnamon, could be a little bit of nutmeg or whatever, but it's very holiday-ish. It has a very holiday-ish smell in my opinion. It's gonna definitely give you some fall vibes. So it's really nice. Okay, so now that I have the Untie the Knot in all 4 sections, I'm going to go in on the right side of my head, your left, with the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. And this is the consistency of it. So it is very, it feels whipped, but you definitely can feel the emollients in it. So some people would consider it thick, but if you see how it spreads out, it spreads out very nicely. And I definitely can feel the emollients in it. It has a nice pleasant scent to it. I really do enjoy the scent. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start in the back section with the cream. So just kind of finger detangling a little bit. So I am going to grab a little bit of the cream. I'm not going to take too much, and I'm going to apply it to this section of my hair and start twisting. All right, there's the first one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and twist up this side of my hair while I tell you a little bit more about the cream. The Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream is a botanical formula that restores moisture to dry hair, fortifies damaged strands, and defines curls while protecting curly tresses. This souffle-like cream is packed with premium natural oils and botanical extracts to nourish and protect while providing a soft hold. The key ingredients is apricot oil, coconut oil, and marshmallow root extract. 360 Curls Complex penetrates the hair cuticle to strengthen strands from within and helps define the curls. Okay guys, so I have completely added the cream to this side of my hair. I did go ahead and just part my hair so I can have a side part. But here's the cream. So as you can see, I used very little of it. I only used a little bit over here. So a little goes a long way. Like I said, it is a very whipped-like or souffle-like consistency. So it feels very light on your hands. It feels very light on the hair, on your hair, but you definitely can feel the emollients in it. And it looks like it's soaking in pretty quickly. So that's great. Now on this side of my head, I'm going to go in with the TreLuxe ReFlex Curl Styling Serum. And it has a very light scent, very pleasant. Can't put my finger on it, but it's not going to be anything that's going to be overpowering if you're sensitive to scents. It's nice. So I'm going to go ahead and use this on this side of the hair. This is a lightweight styling serum, and I've never used it for a twist out, so I definitely want to revisit it. And again, we're going to start in the back. Let me show you the texture. Y'all see that? Hopefully you can see that. So it is very serum like. Ooh. Feels like it has a lot of slip to it. And I may have made this one too small back here, but that's how it looks so far. So I'm going to go ahead and finish twisting this side with the serum while I tell you a little bit about it. The ReFlex Curl Styling Serum is botanical, it's lightweight, and it's supposed to be anti-frizz. It creates bouncy, silky, natural curls with a flexible hold. For this product, as well as all TreLuxe products, there are no silicone, sulfates, mineral oils, waxes, drying alcohols, or artificial colors. And the key ingredients in the ReFlex serum is aloe leaf juice, coconut water, grapeseed extract, with the active botanical again being the 360 curl complex. Botanical extracts help to provide shine and smooth the texture to showcase your curls, while a coconut water aloe juice infusion delivers moisture to thirsty curls, keeping them rejuvenated throughout the day. Okay guys, so now I have in all my twists using the ReFlex Curl Serum on this side and the 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream on this side. As you can see, again, both sides are soaking up the product quite nicely, so that is great. Now I'm going to let my hair dry, and I will be back for the takedown so we can talk more about these products. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and take down the twist real quick, after which I will talk to you about the products.
When trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing.
Okay guys, so I am done separating my hair, and this is what it looks like. Very happy with the results. I feel like I have a lot of definition, and on this side, remember I used the cream. It's very defined. It is supposed to have a soft hold, which it does, but it definitely defines the curls. As you can see, there's a lot more that I can separate, but I, just separate it a little bit, and I'll separate more as the days go on. So my hair definitely can get bigger on this side, which I like. This side, I use the ReFlex Serum, and as you can see, it also has a whole lot of definition as well. Now, I do have a little bit of frizz right here because I, for whatever reason, had a problem taking one of the twists down. So the ReFlex Serum is supposed to be able to be used for refreshing the curls. So we're going to see how this works as a curl refresher. So I'm just going to add some of that on here. And yes, I have a twist out versus a wash and go, but we're just going to see, look at that, if we can get this serum to go ahead and get rid of some of that frizz that I have on the ends and have it go ahead and blend in. And it did. Look at that. So guys, if you are having a wash and go that may need a little bit of refreshing, the serum is great for that. As you can see, I have a twist out, but I did put a little bit on the ends of my twist out where I have a little bit of frizz. Just kind of coiled it and it pops it right back into place. So with that being said, guys, I enjoy this twist out. I like it. I do feel like the TreLuxe cream has just a tad bit more moisture than the ReFlex, but I'm not surprised at that because it is a cream. Both sides feel soft, flexible. Both sides have no crunch. Both sides feel moisturized. Both sides are very defined. So with that being said, either one of these are great for a twist out. I will say that the ReFlex side did dry quicker than the cream side. So if you're in a hurry, you may want to go with the ReFlex. If you're not in a hurry, you know, you can use the cream. If you want more moisture for days, I would say use the cream as opposed to the ReFlex. But both of them look good. Both of them feel good. And I would recommend both of those. They both paired well with the Untie the Knot leave-in, which I used, and neither one of them gave me flakes. I don't have flakes at all. So guys, I am happy with this. Like I said in the video, these products are on sale right now at your local Whole Foods store through November 14th for 25% off. If you're unsure if the Whole Foods in your area are carrying these products, go to discovertreluxe.com and search to see if the Whole Foods in your area has these products. And if so, I'd say go ahead on over there and snatch them up because, again, they're only on sale for a limited time now through November 14th. So yeah, guys, that's it. Let me know what you think about this twist out. Let me know if you are going to pick up the TreLuxe products that I have used today and I have recommended. Like I said, I recommend all three, but I like TreLuxe in general, so you can't go wrong with any of their products. And again, I want to thank TreLuxe for sponsoring this video. And guys, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.